So what's good mga kabahaw? So meron tayong problem dito na find the derivative or dy of dy over d of x squared y plus sin xy plus e raised to y is equals to 12. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dyan is i-derivative natin both sides of the equation ng derivative natin sila both sides, pati itong 12. So, ang mangyayari, pag nag-distribute to, x squared, d with respect to x ng x squared, y, okay, plus the derivative ng sine and xy with respect to x, tsaka derivative ng e raised to y is equals to, kagaya nga nasabi natin, ang derivative ng constant is equals to 0 kasi 12 is constant, wala naman siyang kasamang variable, wala, kahit man lang x or y na nakikita natin dito sa nauna, so 0 na lang siya. Okay, so unahin muna natin i-derivative to. So kung mapapansin nyo, dalawa agad yung mapapansin natin or dalawa agad yung magagamit natin, yung d with respect to x ng x raised to n is equals to nx times a raised to n minus 1, at saka yung product rule, uv u times derivative ng v with respect to x plus v times derivative ng u with respect to x. Okay, so ganun din yung ganun muna yung yung unang term muna yung natin, yung i-evaluate itong term muna na to. So derivative ng so yung u natin dito is yung x squared. Okay, yung u natin is x squared, derivative ng u with respect to x is 2x. Tapos yung v natin is y times yung derivative ng v with respect to x, dy over dx, or derivative siya ng y. Pwede rin natin tawagin na y prime para hindi tayo malito. Okay, so gamitin na natin to. So u dv, yung u natin is x squared u times yung derivative ng v with respect to x, etong dy over dx. Okay, ayan, plus yung y natin, yung v natin na y times yung derivative ng u with respect to x. So ayusin na natin yan, 2xy. Okay, so ito muna yung first term. Second term is sin xy, derivative ng sin u, knowing that yung u is a differentiable function, will give us cosine u times yung derivative ng u with respect to x. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin dito, xy yung xy yung magiging yung parang magiging natin, 'di ba? Yung magiging function or yung nasa loob nitong sign. So and parehas sila na naka-multiply sa isa't isa, so gagamitan natin sila ng product rule. So cosine xy, idediretso ko na, cosine xy times yung derivative ng xy with respect to x. So cos xy times yung u natin is x, yung y natin is uv, u x derivative with respect to x ng 1, tapos yung v natin na y times yung derivative ng v with respect to x na dy over dx. Okay, so u dv, u times derivative ng y with respect to x plus y times 1 na lang. So bale, pwede na natin to i-distribute. Pwede natin i-distribute yung cosine xy natin pag ganito. Okay, so bale, x cosine x times derivative ng y with respect to x plus cosine xy times y, or y cosine x, y na lang. And dito naman sa dito sa third term, ayusin natin yung ayusin natin Sige. So, ang derivative ng e raised to u, knowing that yung u is differentiable function siya, e raised to u times yung derivative ng u with respect to x. So, yung u natin dito is yung y. So the derivative of e raised to u is e raised to u times yung derivative nung u natin, which is yung y. So, dy over dx. Okay. So, pwede natin siya ayusin. So, yung u natin dito sa una, x squared dy over dx plus plus 2xy plus x cosine x y, derivative ng y with respect to x, plus y cosine xy, plus e raised to y times derivative of y with respect to x is equals to 0. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, tatlong terms yung meron tayong x squared. Okay, ito, at saka ito. So, bale, kung mapapansin nyo, dalawa lang yung natin, dalawa lang yung wala tayong term dito ng dy over dfx. Ito, at saka yung ito. So, bale, i-group muna natin yung mga may dy over dx. Okay, so, para mabilis tayong mag-factor out. Dy over dx plus x cosine xy, okay, dy over dx plus e raised to y dy over dx is equals to, naka-group na, diba? Plus pala muna, 2xy plus y cosine xy equals to 0. So, bale, etong dalawang term na to, ililipat natin sila sa kabila since sila lang naman yung walang dy over dx na notation. So, ang mangyayari niyan, x squared dy over dx plus x cosine xy dy over dx, lagyan ko lang ng onting parenthesis, plus e raised to y times dy over dx is equals to, etong positive 2xy na to, magma-minus yan. Pagma-minus natin sa both sides. Y cosine xy, y cosine xy. So, mawawala itong nasa kabila. So, nandito na sila sa right side. So, negative 2xy minus y cosine xy. Okay. So, kabahaw din. Pwede na ba yan? Kailangan pa nating i-factor out yung dy with respect to x. Ayan. Etong mga to. Tapos, i-divide natin siya sa kung ano yung nakuha natin na right hand term or right. Yung term na nasa right. So, dy with respect to x, or the derivative of y with respect to x ng x squared plus x cosine xy plus e raised to y is equals to negative 2xy minus y cosine xy. Ayan. Okay. So, i-divide na natin both sides of the equation by x squared plus x cosine xy plus e raised to y, x squared plus x cosine xy, okay, xy, okay, plus e raised to y. So, pwedeng ito na yung maging sagot, or kung gusto nyo, i-factor out nyo pa yung negative sa taas. So, magiging negative 2xy plus plus y cosine xy over x squared plus x cosine xy plus e raised to y. So, ito na yung sagot natin for our dy over dx.